this life, the only people who get handouts are kids and those who can't provide for themselves. Not someone who's lazy. Not because you done fucked off your money and now you need to call someone and say, hey man, throw me something so I can get back on my feet. Nah, ain't none of that. If you can't provide for yourself, something wrong with you mentally, or you just broke down, you know, we look out for kids and those who can't take care of themselves. But if you're grown and you just making petty mistakes because you want to shine or you want to do good in front of somebody that you necessarily don't even like, and you buying shit that you don't need and you don't know how to manage your money, that's your problem. That's a personal issue. You need to work on that. You see what I'm saying? But as far as asking a grown person for a handout, you need to stop that shit. Like, for real. That's why we in the situation we in. Now, we can't put no money together to make no money, but you want me to make the money and give you something. The game don't work like that, homie.